Time to get Big Mama out. I love this gift so much from my husband that it stayed in the house forever. I didn't even want to get her dirty. But now, she's pulling her load. Let's go over to the big garden. It's time to get out here and weed. I did a little bit throughout the week, but as you can see, if you can imagine what it looked like before, it's crazy. And my neighbor's son is going to come and cut the grass, so it's imperative that I get this done quickly so he can see what to cut around and what not. And we got to do some harvesting today. I won't film this. I know a lot of people film themselves cleaning and everything, but I like to do that in peace. So let me get started. And Big Mama over here harvested some green beans yesterday, but I noticed while I was harvesting that that was not nearly enough harvesting being done. Let me get started. I'm making my way on down. Been in at work and it's all done. Now all I have to do, since I've weeded, is go and get some wood chips and put them on the ground. The Lord saw fit to give me overcast skies, and surely, slowly, the sun is trying to peek through, but I'm grateful. I'm done. And now the sun is all the way out. Thank you, God. And this is what it looks like now that my neighbor's son has come out and cut the grass. A lot of work. And I'm just going to take some of these leaves off because they're dead. We don't want the plant focusing on giving energy to dead plants. We want them to come back looking like this. And they are on the same plant, but we're clearing the way for new life. So this plant will no longer be focusing on something it should not do. And as you see, because I have been pulling all the dead leaves, we have new budding coming on. It's a circle of life. Here's some more. So that's 2 tips. Harvest so that it can regenerate and grow and continue to put out vegetables. And make sure you prune. This is pruning. And with that, look at that. All these new green leaves coming. And because we're doing succession planting, this is my next row of pinto beans that are coming out. We still have some that are blooming and coming out here, but we have some more here. Thanks for watching.